Hi everybody, my name is David Berger and I'm the worker co-chair on the Joint Health and Safety Committee between the teacher unions and Kawartha Pine Ridge. I want to talk to you today about how to report incidents in your schools. We have the right to know about health and safety hazards in our schools, and we have the right to refuse unsafe work. But just as importantly, we have the responsibility to report. It's our obligation under the law, and KPR has provided ways for us to report so that the information goes to where it's needed and action can be taken. Reporting isn't about placing blame, it's about understanding what happened so that we can prevent it from happening again. So let's take a look at how to report incidents that occur in our schools. There are 3 forms that teachers need to know about. They're easy to find through KPR on the web and quick to complete. We can find all 3 forms here on KPR on the web, either through web forms or through quick forms. And as I open up quick forms, the reports we're talking about are the first 3 ones that are listed here. So if this was a violent incident that was perpetrated by a student or anybody else, or if you were subjected to the threat of violence, you have to fill out a workplace violence report. It looks like this. Much of the information is automatically entered for you, and when you submit it, it goes to a number of recipients, including your union. If this was a violent incident that was perpetrated by a student, or if it was any other incident for which suspension or expulsion has to be considered under the Education Act, you need to complete a serious student incident report. In both cases, the serious student incident report or the workplace violence report, your administrator has to follow up with you to explain next steps that are going to be put into place. If you were injured during an incident or almost injured during an incident, you need to use the incident report form. This is really important for lost time incidents. So this includes near misses, injury or occupational illness, or critical incidents. The key thing to remember about incidents that happen in our schools is that they have to be reported, and they have to be reported in the right way. Reporting is the crucial first step. If you don't report it, it didn't happen. And remember, when in doubt, fill it out. If you have any questions about this or any other issues related to health and safety, you can contact me at vp@kpretfo.ca.